This Rodeo Realty property video is presented by Malous Nadjmi. Less than bedroom greater than number 1,358,698. This beautiful Oak Park and unit townhouse in sought-after Capri community features 3 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms. 1 bedroom with full bathroom located on first floor overlooking backyard. Open floor plan with high ceiling in the living room with fireplace and good-sized dining area. Updated kitchen with eating area and granite countertop. Inside convenient laundry room. Master suite with updated bathroom. Second upstairs bedroom with its own private bathroom. This property is an and has a nice size yard with fruit trees and close to pool and tennis courts. A must-see. For more information, review the details below.